Introducing the ultimate microwave steam clean hack. Say goodbye to stubborn microwave stains with a mixture of water and vinegar. Simply place a microwave-safe bowl filled with equal parts water and vinegar inside the microwave, then heat until it steams up. Let it sit for a few minutes to loosen grime, making it effortless to wipe away. This natural and safe method not only saves time, but also helps maintain a hygienic kitchen. For larger, messier jobs, give TidyTex Home Cleaning Service a call at 830-293-4680 and book your cleaning today.